Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com and I'm currently on the beautiful Norwegian Encore. I wanted to show you a forward-facing penthouse suite with balcony. So this is a haven room. You're going to have access to the haven. You're going to have all of the things that come with the haven as well. But keep in mind that you are placed outside the haven. So right now we're on deck 12. To access the haven, you take the elevator up to 17 and then you could go in that way as well. So let me show you this incredible room. So right when you walk in here, you're in the living room. They could also serve as a second bedroom if need be. So beautiful art piece on the wall, and you have this dining room table. So because you're in the haven, you can have all of your dinner served here, course by course if you'd like, by your butler. It's a great option if you have families. It's a really fantastic option as well too. So I've got a family of 3, my little one. This would be the perfect configuration for us. So over here you have a dry bar. You've got your wine glasses, champagne glasses, bottle opener, Nespresso cups as well. You've got the Nespresso maker in here. They'll replenish this as much as you like. I love Nespresso. It's how I start my day every day at home. So it's really nice to have that there. You have the boxed water because there is no more bottled water on board the Norwegian Encore. They're getting rid of it fleet-wide. So you got your ice here, and then just below there, you've got your mini fridge that you can access. It's on the inaugural right now, so it's actually locked up, which happens sometimes. Okay, so as you move on into the room, there we go. So as you move on into the room, you are going to have a nice writing desk here, a little bit of storage underneath your phone, and then also the portable ship phone as well. Have a little bit of storage up top here, a little bit above the TV as well. So you have a flat panel TV. You've got storage along the bottom all the way. A nice, beautiful flower arrangement here. And then this is the bed. So this room currently is configured to only accommodate 3 people maximum. So just keep that in mind. Some of them are configured for 3, some of them are configured for 4 as well. What's really nice is they've got the light controls over here on the side, and then over on the other side here as well, they're going to have a plug there. So if somebody is using this as a primary bed, it's really nice to be able to control the lights and have a plug there as well. This is also where you're going to head out to the balcony. So follow me out here. All right, so we're heading out to the balcony. So one thing that I will point out right away is that this room is not all about the balcony. It's not going to have one of the massive ones like you find in some of the other rooms, but it's a really, really nice balcony for a family of 2 or 3. So you've got 2 chairs here. Once again, they can bring the big table out here if you want to have dining course by course. I love having my coffee out here in the morning. So as long as I have that fresh air, beautiful view, and you're looking straight out sideways, so you do have a pretty, it's pretty private up here as well. But you can see just the way the ship is shaped in the very front. They've got a pad here for somebody like me not to hit their head, but it actually gives you a little bit more space here. So it is not hard to have 3 people sitting out on the balcony, but it would be a little bit cramped. But remember, the room in this case is what it's all about. This one's all about what's inside, not so much what is on the outside there. So now let's head into the master bedroom bathroom complex. So one thing I will point out is that if you are sharing this room with somebody else, they would have to go from the living room in here to use the bathroom. Same thing if you have a party here. So just something to keep in mind. It doesn't have a separate bathroom like that. So when I come in here, the first thing that I notice is I love that it has a massive double vanity. So of course you're going to have the upgraded L'Occitane amenities that, really, really nice. They've got the full-size ones in here, which I do appreciate. You've got this double vanity, so you both have areas to get ready. You have storage underneath for both, and then you also have storage up here as well. You've got a nice plug for a shaver there, and then also a place to hang your bathrobes here if you'd like. I would like to point out that you have a 3rd temperature control in here. So you have one in the master, one in the living room, and then one here as well. Lights there. As soon as you come in here, you are going to have the commode, the toilet room right there. And then over here you have a huge shower. There we go. Sorry, perfect. Okay, so a couple things that I really like is it's got the rainforest shower head. I'm 6'6", and I can fit just barely underneath it. You also have the shower wand, which is really nice as well. A little bit of storage here. I call it the car wash shower with all of that. And then there's also a nice little bench, so that's great, especially for ladies shaving their legs, or sometimes just to sit down and let the get some nice warm water on you, and have a relax on your vacation. So you also have the bathtub as well. Once again, for me, having this for a family is a really fantastic thing, being able to throw the kiddo in there. We're going on a cruise in a couple weeks with all of our cousins as well, so something like this, we can throw in a bunch of kids in there, and it's just a lot of fun for them and convenient for mom and dad. So you got a little bit of storage here. You've got your makeup mirror, so the magnifying mirror there. It's backlit, a nice little chair here, a little bit of storage in there as well. Did want to point out that in the bath, they also have the bath salts for all the haven rooms. So follow me back through here and we'll head into the master bedroom. So I'm going to start right over here on this side of the master bedroom. So you notice that they've got this great little blue light underneath here. That's standard in the haven now. So you have extra lighting so you don't trip in the middle of the night. Here you are going to have storage. So this is going to be the hang up storage here. 2 plush haven robes. You've got the golf umbrella and also the slippers in here as well. And then also for your shoes, shoe shining. Okay. Okay, here you also have the phone. I did want to point out that they've got 2 USBs down there, light controls, and then just a little bit of storage. And as you follow me over, you will see more storage. So I did want to point out that the bed is a full king size bed, which is fantastic. You could order more pillows if you want, make it softer, more firm, up to you. Over here, you're gonna have more storage as well. So you've got more hanging storage here, nice lights inside, and you also have storage underneath there. More storage above, right here, above the TV. Here we go. Careful for that one, it opens quick. More underneath as well. There's your safe. That up, not quite big enough for a laptop, perfect for passports, wallets, things along those lines. And then of course you've got your TV. So there's one in the living room, and then also one in here as well. More storage there. So show the hang-ups. You actually have hang-up storage in 3 different places in here. More storage along there. A nice little bench seat here as well. Perfect for reading bedtime stories with the kiddos. And then here you have 2 USBs and a plug, and then all the light controls on the side as well. So one phenomenal feature about this room is that you have the side balcony, so you have that privacy looking out the side, but you also have the view out the front, which is absolutely stunning. That's one of the reasons I really, really love this stateroom category, because you kind of get the best of both worlds. You look at the view out the front. There's Miami Beach directly in front of us, and then on the side you have that nice peaceful area to sit outside and have some nice fresh air. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. When you're ready to book this suite or any suite on board the Norwegian Encore or any in the Norwegian fleet, reach out to hartravel.com. We are your suite experts. We have a phenomenal relationship with Norwegian, and so we know that we can absolutely make sure that you have the best value for your vacation, whether you want a couple, a family, or a whole group in between.